So I have most of this welded together. I'm gonna go ahead and finish up this back part.
I stay putting in that work. Everything I get, I'm hurt. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work. Everything I get, I'm hurt. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work. I'm up in the morning, like 5 in the morning, I'm already on. So when you just getting out of the box, boy, I'm rounding the corner. This ain't a persona.
So I have most of this welded together. All I have left over here is these 2 seams. I'm gonna wait till I get it down off the rack to weld those, just because it's easier to get to. It's up so high. But before I get it down, I'm gonna go ahead and finish up this back part, which basically consists of this center floor piece and the 2 corner pieces. So I'm gonna get these prepped out to weld. Get it all welded in, then I'll get it down off the rack and weld those last 2 seams. So this is what happens when you're half asleep on a Monday morning. I was lowering this lift down, not paying attention, lowered the door right on it. Destroyed the stool, but it actually did not hurt the door. I got lucky. So whenever I spot welded this wheelhouse right here, it got a little bit of a choppiness from when it squeezed the two panels together. So I'm just putting a thin coat of glaze across this just to kind of smooth it out.